G'day, welcome to Epic E-Bikes. Today we're going to show you how to unlock a 2019 Levo Expert SL. This is the SL model, so the light one, with the smaller motor and battery. And today we're going to install a Planet 3, the back wheel, to unlock it. Okay, first step to installing the Planet 3 is to remove the rear wheel. To get started, we're going to shift the bike into the lowest gear or the highest speed gear. I'm going to lift up the derailleur, engage the lock, and then we'll pull out the axle. Just lift the wheel up. Easy as that. Okay, the next step is to get your wheel somewhere that's easy to work on. So you can take off the magnet. You want to put this somewhere safe so you can return the bike to original if you ever need to. It's quite a strong magnet. Keep your bolts for you. Okay, then you need to remove a couple of screws from the disc in order to have the correct pattern for the Planet 3 to sit on top of. Move this one over here. Undo the one next to it. Okay. And put that other bolt with your sensor. Now you've got those three removed. You can open your Planet 3. You want to take out the body, which is 3 pieces, as well as the 3 bolts included. And there's also a little tool that we can use to adjust it as we install it. So first thing we're going to do is take the top cover off, take the little sun gear off. Now we're going to put this over the bolt holes, the bolts we left in, line up the holes where we haven't got bolts. Now we install these 3 bolts to secure the Planet 3 and the disc. Okay, next step is to install sun gear. And then we get the top cover and we put this over the top. Should be firm, a nice firm fit on the axle. Slowly push it down. Okay, as you gently push it down, just want to rotate it a little bit, keep going. When you rotate it, it shouldn't make any noise or have any grinding. Now comes the time to use our special tool, little feeler gauge. Okay, so you want to put this piece against the rotor, then you want to spin it and make sure that the top part just touches that piece nicely the whole way around. And then when you spin it, that it doesn't get any significant wobble up or forward and back. And that's the correct installation depth for the Planet 3 there. Okay, once that's done, just got to put this little extension piece to the sensor on the frame of the bike, so we'll move over and do that. Okay, so we're going to take this and replace it with this. Get a little Allen key, undo this bolt, and then you just want to pull the speed sensor out of there, and you want to pull a little more slack out of here. If you can't get any more slack out of here, you may need to come up here and try and pull some out of the motor to get a bit more slack, but in this case we've got plenty. So we just put that sensor, push it down until it's all the way at the end. And we put that back in place. Okay, now last step is to put the wheel back in. And there we go. We've got our new extended piece here, the Planet 3 here. We can unlock our derailleur. We're good to go.